Sir, I support the bill Sabka Bima Sabki Raksha Amendment of Insurance Laws Bill 2025. The bill proposes wide-ranging amendments to three principal legislation governing the insurance sector: the Insurance Act 1938, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India Act 1999, and the Life Insurance Corporation Act 1956 to update the regulatory framework. Sir, the bill seeks to raise the foreign direct investments limit in the insurance sector from current 74% to 100% in a move aimed at expanding insurance penetration and achieving the goal of insurance for all by 2047. Sir, the bill proposes a structured penalty mechanism requiring IRDAI to evaluate objective criteria including default severity, policyholder losses and mitigation efforts, along with advance notice and fair hearing rights for insurers, ending arbitrary punishment. Sir, the bill extends mandatory rural and unorganized sector insurance obligations across all insurance classes: life, health, general and specialty and operationalization, genuine inclusive growth, ensuring crores of rural workers access affordable coverage. Sir, the bill introduces a one-time registration mechanism for insurance intermediaries, eliminating repetitive approvals and ensuring continuity of service to policyholders in order to ease compliance and improve ease of doing business. The bill also introduces key reforms to modernize the governance and operational framework of Life Insurance Corporation of India. LIC is proposed to be granted greater operational autonomy, including the power to establish new zonal offices without prior government approval. Sir, the bill dismantles colonial legislation that has strangled India's insurance sector since British rule. The Insurance Act 1938 was enacted under British India to regulate insurance with outdated provisions. The bill modernizes 1938 Insurance Act, 1956 LIC Act, and 1999 IRDAI Act. Sir, when the BJP-led NDA government came to power in 2014, the insurance sector was gasping under UPA restrictive framework with FDI capped at a meager 26%. In contrast, the Modi government has systematically liberalized the sector by increasing FDI to 49% in 2015, 74% in 2021, and now 100% in 2025. This liberalization will provide new impetus to the sector and will help the government's bold vision of insurance for all by 2047. Sir, the Modi government has enabled up to 100% foreign investment in India's insurance companies while simultaneously placing clear statutory safeguards. Sir, all insurers and reinsurers now operate under identical prudential standards, preventing regulatory arbitrage. Simultaneously, the bill prohibits officers from holding directorships across competing insurers or related financial entities, eliminating conflict of interest arrangements that compromise independent decision-making. Sir, the bill modernizes policy record keeping by mandating digital storage of complete policyholder information, names, Aadhaar, PAN, dates of birth, and transaction history. It proposes that insurer must maintain concurrent record of policies and claim in electronic form, eliminating archaic paper-based system that delayed claim processing for decades. The bill also requires the insurer to maintain a strict confidentiality of the information supplied by the policyholder. The bill further establishes unified KYC standard across regulated entities, preventing duplicate documentation that burdens customers. Once the KYC is proposed by any regulated authority, insurers can use it across functions without redundant verification. Sir, the life insurance density collapsed from 55.7 US dollar in 2010 to 41 USD dollar in 2014. Under the NDA government, insurance density surged from 55 USD dollar in 2014 to 95 USD dollar in 2024, while total premium collections jumped from 5 lakh crores to over 11.2 lakh crore. The life insurance premiums alone reached 8.3 trillion by financial year 2024. The proposed bill, 100% FDI provision, enables market expansion into Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities where penetration remains below 1%. Sir, the bill is a natural expansion of BJP government's commitment to universal social security and insurance for all by 2047. Under Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, India has already created the world's largest insurance coverage base, with flagship schemes like Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, together crossing more than 74 crore enrollments, providing life and accident cover at affordable premiums. Sir, it is a service-oriented bill, not a profit-oriented bill. Sir, a major obstacle to investment in the insurance sector was excessive procedural friction. Even minor share transfers required regulatory approval, which slowed capital inflow, restructuring, and investor exits. The NDA government has addressed this by raising the approval threshold for share transfer from 1% to 5%, significantly reducing unnecessary compliance. At the same time, full regulatory oversight is retained for transactions that impact ownership or control, ensuring transparency and policyholder protection. This reform improves investor confidence while preserving systematic stability. It reflects the NDA government's clear belief that ease of doing business and a strong regulation must go hand in hand. Sir, for decades, LIC operated under the outdated statutory framework where even routine administrative decisions required layers of approvals, slowing response time and affecting efficiency. The amendment to LIC Act addresses this structural rigidity by allowing greater operational autonomy in matters such as opening offices, managing branches, and internal administration, while retaining strategic oversight with the government. Sir, the bill facilitates entry for foreign reinsurers by reducing net owned ends requirement from 5,000 crore to 1,000 crore. This change reflects the NDA government's push for ease of doing business by liberating our institutions while protecting national interests. Sir, the bill significantly enhances the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India's power to protect policyholders. The proposed bill is granting IRDAI disgorgement powers to recover wrongful gains, bringing it at par with SEBI. Further, it also introduces a policyholders' education and protection fund to safeguard consumers' interest. The bill mandates formal standard operating procedure for regulation making and clear criteria for penalties, ensuring transparency and predictability. Sir, due to the aforementioned reasons, I support Sabka Bima Sabki Raksha Amendment Bill 2025. बीमा क्षेत्र को समयानुकूल सुदृढ़ बनाने हेतु यह एक काफी अच्छी पहल है सरकार की। मैं इसका पूर्ण समर्थन करता हूं। धन्यवाद।